Shake up your diet. The GoWISE USA air fryer requires little to no oil to make food that is crispy on the outside, tender on the inside. That means you can eat this, and this, and even this with only a fraction of the calories. Its 7-quart interior provides enough space to feed the whole family. With a temperature range of 180 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, you can make a vast variety of dishes. Breakfast, lunch, dinner, dessert, all in just one touch. You can even create your own healthy snacks using the dehydrator function and 3 included racks. Not sure where to start? We've got you covered. Each air fryer comes with 100, that's right, 100 chef-tested recipes. We'll bring the ideas, you bring the ingredients. Running a little late? The keep warm function means your food is ready when you are. Best of all, cleanup is easier than ever. With 3 styles, choosing the perfect appliance to match your kitchen is simple. Order yours today.